Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priyanka Singh and today I am going to solve next questions from exercise 14 properties of parallel lines. This is question number 11. Question is asking that in the given figure ABCD, this ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. Understood? That means area which are covered by four straight line segment. Okay, so this is the a closed area which is covered by four line segment is called quadrilateral. Understood? So this is quadrilateral ABCD in which AB parallel to DC, okay, and AD parallel to BC. Understood? This line is parallel to this line and this one is parallel to this one. You have to prove that ADC, this angle is equal to angle ABC, this angle. That means opposite angles of this quadrilateral are equal. Understood the meaning? You have to prove that if you have a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC, then opposite sides of this quadrilateral, opposite angles, actually angles which are considered in opposite sides, okay, opposite angles are equal to each other. You have to prove it. Okay, this is not given, you have to prove it, that if you have a quadrilateral where AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC, then its opposite angles are equal to each other. Understood? So you have to prove that ADC parallel to ABC. Okay, now what you can do here, because here nothing is given. Okay, so first of all, just see the picture. In this figure, you can consider that if you will take AB parallel to DC, then AD will be transversal for those both lines. Understood? And if you will take AB parallel to DC, then this one also are transversal for those lines, those parallel lines. Okay, and if you take this line to this line, because AD and BC also parallel, in this case AB will be transversal, also DC will be transversal. Okay, so just this is a view, okay, what you can think here. So come on the figure. Okay, I already draw the figure. Okay, so just you have to consider it, what you can do here. So just let the angles name, because without that one you can't do anything. So just consider angles. Okay, so for figure you can consider that this is angle 1, okay, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3, if you don't have any problem. Okay, understood my words? First just name, give some name of these angles. You can also give one a name, okay, but you have only find out that this angle is equal to this angle. That means ADC parallel to ABC. Only you have to find out this thing. Okay, After the consideration of angle name, just do one thing. Okay, whatever given in question, just write down. So question is given that, given, what given here? Given is AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Okay, this is given. So first of all, you do first thing, what? You have to take AB and DC first. So AB and DC, when you take AB and DC, okay, then this line, it will be transversal. If you extend it, you can consider it nicely. See? Understood? So for these two lines, two parallel lines, AB and DC, AD will be a transversal for this. So remember the property for parallel lines. Understood? So first you have to write down here. For AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Okay. Then your AD will be transversal. Right here, AD is a transversal. Okay. So if AB पैरेलल टू DC, ये लाइन और ये लाइन अगर पैरेलल है तो ये ट्रांसवर्सल हुआ, तो ये दोनों क्या है? What the name of these angles? What? Yes, co-interior angles, or you can tell it consecutive interior angles. Understood my words? Okay, because both angles are made on same side, okay, and interior area. Okay, that's why its name is consecutive interior angles. Then if both angles are consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles, then the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. So just write down angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. And one thing is very important, that always put the property when you solve any parallel lines questions. Okay, so don't forget that, write the property. Okay, so this is the how sum of co-interior, okay, co-interior angles. So sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree. Understood? When you add co-interior angles, its sum will be 180 degree. Next, suppose if you will take AD and BC parallel and AD will be transversal, then what condition happening here? So just write down for AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Okay, so just check it here. If these two lines are parallel and this one is transversal, it means angle 2, angle 3 are co-interior angles, consecutive interior angles. then also its sum will be 180 degree. So just write down. Then angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. What? Sum of consecutive co-interior angles. Understood? Now, just suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, from equation 1 and 2, just check it here one thing. ध्यान से देखो जो हम बता रहे हैं. You can see here, this is LHS and this is RHS. Here also this is LHS and this is RHS. You can see both equation having same RHS. ठीक है, दोनों इक्वेशन का जो RHS है वो सेम है, 180 डिग्री 180 डिग्री. ओके, तो जब RHS सेम होगा तो LHS को भी सेम होना है, ये मस्ट है. If RHS same here, then LHS also be same. Okay, so RHS here 180, then these also be same. So what you can write here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Understood? हमने कहा कि जब ये दोनों सेम है तो इसको भी सेम होना है. दैट मीन इसको भी इक्वल होना है. जब ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया तो इसको भी इक्वल होना है. तो इसको ऐसे आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, नाउ वन थिंग सी हियर, बोथ साइड 2 2. ओके, सो दिस वन विल बी कटेड. नाउ व्हाट लेफ्ट हियर? Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Just check here, angle 1 and angle 3. Name of angle 1, ADC. Just write down here. Therefore, angle ADC and angle 3 is angle ABC. Okay, so this question asking that. This is proved. समझ में आया? प्रूफ करने का रूल क्या है? आपको ये इधर का एक साइड कोई मैच कर दो, आरएचएस मैच कर दो और फिर एलएचएस को इक्वल में लाओ. अब आप देखो कि यहाँ 2 2 सेम है तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एंगल इधर 1 बचा, इधर एंगल 3 बचा, दोनों इक्वल है. तो एंगल 1 आपका है डी, सो ADC, एंड नाउ एंगल आपका ABC, तो 3 है आपका एंगल ABC. दोनों ही तो क्वेश्चन पूछा था. क्वेश्चन आपका क्या था? दैट ADC equal to ABC. So you proved also ADC equal to ABC, then proved. Okay, I think you understand it clearly. If any problem, please write in my comment box. This is the next question, students. Question number 12. In the given figure, this figure, L parallel to M, this line parallel to this line, and P parallel to Q. Can see here clearly. Okay, this L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. Okay, find the measure of each of the angle A, B, C, D. Okay, you have to find out all angles. Okay, so just check it here. You have given that one angle, this is 65. Then you can find out the value of angle A. Yes, this is 65 degree. By which property? Vertically opposite. Okay, vertically opposite angles. This or these angles are vertically opposite angles. So value of both angles are equal. Okay, so I already draw here. So just write down whatever given in question. Okay. So question is given that given L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. Okay. Now angle A. I told you na angle A is equal to 65 degree. How? Vertically opposite angles. So angle A equal to 65 degree. By which property? Vertically opposite angles. Any problem? Now you can see A and D. What the name of both angles? So 1 second. Can extend it. Now just see, if L parallel to M, then Q is a transversal. If Q is a transversal, then angles which are made on same side interior area are called consecutive interior angles. So these angles are consecutive interior angles. It means the sum of both angles is 180 degree. That means A plus D equal to 180 degree. Clear na? So just write here angle A plus angle D, angle A plus angle D, okay, is equal to 180 degree. By which property? Consecutive interior angles or co-interior angle, okay. So consecutive interior angles. Understood? Both the angles are consecutive interior angles and sum of both angles is 180 degree. Now you know the value of A from here. So just put it here. 65 degree plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Now angle D equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree is equal to 115 degree. Any problem? Now come on the next thing, that because you have to find out all the angles. Now you know angle A. You know the angle A. This is 65 degree. You know the angle D 115 degree. Now you have to find B and C. So for B and C, one thing that in question number 11, okay, you know that angles of opposite angles of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, okay. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So A is equal to C and B equal to D. Why this is called parallelogram? Because its sides are parallel to each other. देखो थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको हम यहाँ पे, बिकॉज दिस इज ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है ना, तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है तो एक चीज़ आप याद रखो कि अगर जो भी यहाँ पे जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल बन रहा है, अगर वो पैरेलल लाइन से बन रहा है तो उसका एक डिफरेंट नेम होता है मैथ्स में, उसको पैरेललोग्राम बोलते हैं। तो ये पैरेललोग्राम है। तो पैरेललोग्राम की एक प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पे जो कि अभी आपने 11 में प्रूव किया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में, दैट इसके अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये अपोजिट साइड्स हुए, आई मार्क इट हियर, ये अपोजिट साइड्स हुए। ओके, तो ये दोनों जो एंगल होंगे ना वो इक्वल होंगे। दिस इज ईजी फॉर यू, अदरवाइज यू कैन फाइंड आउट अगेन दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉन्सिक्यूटिव, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉन्सिक्यूटिव, तो लंबा प्रोसेस हो जाएगा। दैट्स वाई आई गो फॉर वट एवर आई प्रूव नाउ। तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा आपके लिए शॉर्ट कर दिया है। आप कंसिक्यूटिव वे से ही बना सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट फॉर ओनली यू दैट यू कंसीडर इट। अभी आपने कुछ नया सीखा कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल अगर वो पैरेलल लाइन से बना है तो उसके अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं, तो उसका आप यूज़ यहाँ पे कर सकते हो। तो वही हम कर रहे हैं आपको, ठीक है। तो सो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है प्लस एक पैरेललोग्राम है। एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कौन सा टाइप है, तो पैरेललोग्राम का टाइप है। अब आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन वन थिंग दैट angle A equal to angle C. So you can write here now angle C equal to angle A 65 degree. What the property name here? You know? Yes, you know. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So write down here opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay, so this is the a short form of parallelogram. First you write down parallel and you write again gram. Okay, so this is the parallelogram. Okay, opposite angles of a parallelogram, I write all are equal. Yes, you use this property in standard 9, so just try to remember. And of course 7, if you now just study basic on in 7, then 9 will be easy for you, because all properties and questions will again come in standard 9. So that's why this is the one property in standard 9. And also this is a question for you in property of parallel lines. That's why I solve here and I use it. Okay, थोड़ा सा वो ना मैच करता है आपका 7 और 9 मैच करता है, तो इसलिए मैंने उसको भी कुछ कुछ कंसीडर करते जा रहा है ताकि आपके लिए वो इजी होता जाए. So C equal to A, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, and B equal to D. So you find out here D na, just write B equal to D 115 डिग्री. सेम प्रॉपर्टी ना, ठीक है, सेम प्रॉपर्टी है दोनों का, अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. एंड दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ hence angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, so 65 degree, 115 degree, 115 degree, and here is again 65 degree. So this is your last conclusion. This is the next question, question number 13, students. So just let's check it. This is the question 13. Question is given that in the given figure AB parallel to DC. So this line is parallel to this line and AD parallel to this line, parallel to this line. AD parallel to BC, okay? And AC is a diagonal. So this is a diagonal, okay? Diagonal which join the opposite angles, okay? A and C, okay? If angle BAC, so BAC, this angle, okay, is 35 degree, angle CAD, so CAD 40, here is 40, ACB X degree and ACD Y degree. Okay, you have to find out the value of X and Y. So just come on the figure. One thing you can see here that given here AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Okay, so just if for a little bit you can this is very easy question if you understand that if you extend little bit, I want to extend for you only. Okay, if you extend then this AB and DC, so this is the transversal and this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle are alternate, Yes, interior. Very good. Angles. Understood. That means this angle is equal to this angle and this one is equal to this one. By which property? Yes, tell me. Alternate interior angles. Okay. So just you have to only write down this thing only. Given AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC and AC is a diagonal. Okay, this is all given. So now for x degree. So I told you x degree equal to this angle, that means this is 40 degree and this one is equal to this one, that means 35 degree. By which property? Alternate interior angles. Okay, or alternate angles. So x degree, so this one is equal to this one. What the name of this? CAD. Okay, just write down here angle CAD 40 degree. Which property? Alternate angles. Yeah, you can write here alternate interior angles. Okay, and y degree is equal to angle BAC 35 degree by same property. Okay, so this is your complete answer. Very easy question, no?